Hello, it's Lucy from MG Caravans, and today we're going to be looking at the 2021 Swift Basecamp 4. Basecamp 4 is extremely lightweight and compact, with a laden weight of 1,186 kilograms and with a total length of 5.59 metres. This means that there's a large variety of different vehicles that can tow the Basecamp. It's easier to store and also easier to manoeuvre. External features that come as standard on the Basecamp are 14-inch alloy wheels, an external cold water shower which is great for hosing down sporting equipment or the dog, an external mains point and an external barbecue point. You'll also see the gas locker at the front, which encloses a spare wheel and it's got space for 2 gas bottles. At the rear is the wider rear door with window. You've also at the top got an awning channel already fitted, and on the roof you've got a 100-watt solar panel, which is great for going off the grid. Every 2021 Basecamp is built with Smart 3, a totally timberless construction with a revolutionary composite floor with a dual-density foam core that is made from recycled plastic bottles. All panels on the Basecamp are made from GRP, making them durable and helping you keep the Basecamp looking like new for longer. The inside of the Basecamp is bright and airy with a panoramic window at the front which lets the outdoors in. The colour scheme throughout is contemporary with orange hues which match the exterior graphics. At the top you have removable canvas zipped bags which provide great storage and can be easily fully loaded at home for a quick getaway. At the front of the Basecamp you have a spacious seating area. There is also a handy coffee table at the front which folds down when not in use. The seats pull together in the centre to make a large double bed. The seats have curved beech slats for added comfort. The aluminium framed front seat bases fold away, and you can see on the floor that there are anchor points enabling you to anchor your equipment with the floor mounted tie points. New for this season, you'll see soft touch wall pads at the front with handy expandable storage pockets. The Basecamp is equipped with powerful gas and electric well-blown air heating and water heating, which keeps you warm even when temperatures drop below freezing. All Swift Caravans are Grade 3 insulated and have been put to the test in real-life cold chambers. The kitchen is well equipped with a 3-burner gas hob, full oven with integral grill, and includes a generous 85-litre Dometic 3-way fridge. There's a decent-sized wardrobe which is home to the freestanding table, mains consumer unit, digital TV aerial, and there's also access at the bottom to the heater. It still leaves you plenty of room to hang up coats and clothes. The Basecamps are equipped with a Swift Command touchscreen control panel to manage the vehicle's functions, or you can utilise the app when you're on your adventure. Using the app, you can locate the caravan, change your heating settings, fridge settings, check the battery level, and much more. The Dinette at the rear provides an additional seating area with removable table. The seats again fold up to reveal the floor-mounted anchor points. The Dinette easily transforms into a sturdy bunk bed. Both beds have an impressive capacity of 70 kilos. There is also a privacy curtain that goes round the bunk bed. The washroom is opposite the bunk bed and provides a shower with water-saving Eco-Camel shower head, wash basin and Thetford cassette toilet. Thank you for watching our video. I hope it's given you a good overview of what the Basecamp has to offer. Don't forget to subscribe for more caravan and motorhoming videos.